welcome to our channel. Winters are beautiful for some and problematic for others. Well, it is a natural phenomenon. Let's embrace it with a few most common winter problems and solutions. Today I am going to share few remedies for the lip care. Watching this video till the end, you will get a clear idea how this remedy will help you. So without any further delay, let's get started.
Now we are going to prepare our remedy for this winter season, that is lip balm. We need only these two ingredients, beetroot and coconut oil. Let's get into the preparation. As this beetroot is one of the most inexpensive home remedies to get pink lips naturally, the inflammatory that helps lighten the dark pigmentation or discoloration in your lips and protects the lips from sun damage, as it contains color pigments, betanin and vulgaxanthin in beets, acts as an antioxidant and anti-inflammatory. Now we have to peel the skin of it. Take half beetroot piece and we have to grate this by using a grater. Now we are going to squeeze this grated beetroot to extract the juice. And for this beetroot juice, now we are going to add 4 to 5 drops of coconut oil or white petroleum gel. I am going to add 4 to 5 drops of coconut oil to this beetroot juice. If you want, then you can also add white petroleum gel. Mix it well. Refrigerate for few minutes so that it gets solidified, and we can store this for nearly 2 months to get pretty pinkish lips. Now we are going to prepare another remedy with beetroot, that is lip scrub. To make this lip scrub we need beetroot. We need to grate this beetroot. Now extract this juice by using a colander. Squeeze it. Now add 1 teaspoon of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of honey. This honey works as a moisturizer to your lips. Mix well. Store this in an airtight container and we can use this for 1 month. Whenever we need to scrub the lips, use this scrubber. It works very well. It helps to remove all the dead skin from the lips, and use this scrub daily twice to get pretty pink lips. Now we are going to prepare a moisturizer for lips using potato. Let us see what are the ingredients we need. Potato, coconut oil, lemon and honey. Take a small bowl, add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. This is a originated coconut oil. Add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, half a teaspoon of honey, and now take half a slice of potato and we need to grate it to extract the juice. Now grate the potato. Now we will extract potato juice in it. And we will mix all this. Here we have taken the originated coconut oil. When the oil is in virgin, it will solidify very fastly. So we need to mix it well. It takes a little bit of time to this dissolve in it. We have to mix it. Here, yes, oil full dissolved in it. And now we have to refrigerate this for nearly 30 minutes. And we can use this moisturizer at any time when you need it. The ingredients in this we used are easily available at home. The only thing is we needed to spare some time, nearly 20 to 30 minutes for this preparation, and after that we can get benefited for other 2 months. Here are the 3 remedies for your lips. First scrub the lips and then apply moisturizer, and finally apply this lip balm. Spare some time for our lips to make more baby soft and pinkish this winter season.
Do you find this video helpful? Give a thumbs up. If you already subscribed, please hit the bell button for latest videos. Which home remedy would you like to see in the next video? Let me know in the comment section.